In our previous videos, we have already reviewed the CMM 2.2 unit, described the capabilities of our equipment and how this equipment helps to address transformer servicing issues. Let's recap. When a transformer is in use, the oil becomes contaminated and absorbs water. Even a small amount of water in the oil sharply reduces its dielectric strength, making oil dehydration necessary. Detached paper insulation of the windings and small suspended particles of carbon must be filtered out. The CMM 2.2 unit is ideal for transformer oil treatment. It will perform its intended function well. Globcore is continuously committed to progress and improvement of product quality, as well as new product development. Let's take a look at the new mobile oil unit developed in 2020, which is about to set a new industry standard, the 2.2 cubic meter per hour CMM LT. Compared to the previous model, this machine is significantly smaller. It can easily be moved by a single person for routine servicing. Along with the dimensions, power requirement has also decreased, with no change to the processing capacity. The automation of the machine is traditionally top-notch. The controls could be handled by a child. Installation of an E+E moisture sensor in the machine is another significant upgrade. It checks the parameters of oil at the inlet and saves laboratory analysis time. With the new CMM model in the market, the oil degassing process becomes even more simple and economical. For more information, visit us at www.globcore.com.